Going over natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We remain in negative MACD. We're seeing signs of converge, and we're still below the 200 moving average, this green line, and that is at the price of $5.65. With the 4-hour chart, we are in negative MACD territory. As we extend out further to the daily chart, we are in positive MACD, and we're still resting right along the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, and that is at the price of $5.38. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $17.51, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $19.18. My stop loss is at $17.12. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $20.01, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $17.92, and my stop loss is at $20.90. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop the trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 33% chance to climb between 0 to 7%. To the downside, it has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7%, and a 17% chance to fall between negative 7 to negative 13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.